In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Rocket Money customer support using phone, chat, or email. Navigating customer service can sometimes feel like a daunting task, but I'm here to guide you through it step by step. Let's ensure you can easily get the help you need. To start, make sure you're logged into your Rocket Money account. Once you're logged in, you'll need to head over to the Rocket Money dashboard. This is essentially the control center of your account where you can access all your financial information and settings. If you're not familiar with where to find the dashboard, it's typically one of the main tabs or links on your nav bar once you log into the site. Now that you're on the dashboard, you'll want to scroll down the page. Keep scrolling until you find the Contact Us section. This is where Rocket Money has centralized all their customer support options. Sometimes this section can be a bit further down, so don't worry if you feel like you're scrolling for a while. This is quite normal and just part of the interface. Once you've located the Contact Us button, your next move is to click on it. This action will bring up the various options for contacting Rocket Money's support team. Generally, companies aim to make this part as straightforward as possible, which helps make this process seamless for you. By clicking, you're essentially saying, "I need help," and Rocket Money recognizes this action as such. After you've clicked, you'll be greeted with a display showing you the different ways to reach out to their support team, namely through email and chat. Email is a great option if your inquiry is less urgent and you're comfortable waiting for a response. It allows you to describe your issue in detail without feeling rushed. Chat, on the other hand, is fantastic for real-time assistance. If you need more immediate help, the chat feature connects you with a support agent who can guide you through any issues on the spot. It's important to choose the method of contact that best fits your needs and the urgency of your issue. If at any point you feel unsure, know that reaching out through chat can often direct you to the right channels or provide immediate solutions to less complex problems. And there you have it. You now have all the tools to confidently contact Rocket Money customer support through the method that best suits your needs. Remember, the key to resolving any issue smoothly is clear communication. So don't hesitate to reach out when you need support. Thanks for watching and best of luck with your inquiries.